Good morning guys, in front of me is Fairphone 4 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. At first enroll the list of all apps and reach settings. Then find and select security, mark fingerprint, and here at first you have to set some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, PIN code or the password. So let me enter the password. Re-enter it, just to confirm, and 5 at the end. Now when reach notification content, I would like to hide it all. And now it's time to place your fingerprint on the sensor. As you can see, the sensor is located on your power button on the side of your phone, so it's over here. And now just grab your phone as you usually do it and keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. And that's it. Now click on done, and as you can see from now on, you will be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Just like this. Obviously you can also use this backup PIN code that we set. So it works in both ways. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.